As we stand in July 2025, artificial intelligence isn't just a concept of the future. It's intricately woven into our daily lives. From the recommendations that shape our online experiences to the algorithms that influence critical decisions, AI's presence is undeniable. But with this incredible power comes profound responsibility. Today, we're diving into a crucial and rapidly evolving field within computer science, ethical AI. We'll explore why this domain is more vital than ever, unpacking its core components, bias, privacy, and accountability, and considering how we can build AI systems that are not just intelligent, but also fair, safe, and trustworthy. At its heart, AI ethics is about ensuring that artificial intelligence aligns with human values. It's a set of principles and practices designed to guide the development, deployment, and use of AI in a way that benefits society, mitigates harm, and upholds fundamental human rights. It's about moving beyond simply can we build it, to asking should we build it, and how can we build it responsibly. One of the most pressing challenges in ethical AI is algorithmic bias. Imagine an AI system trained to screen job applications. If that system learns from historical hiring data, where certain demographics were unintentionally or even intentionally overlooked, the AI will likely perpetuate those biases. It's not the AI being malicious. It's simply reflecting the imperfections in the data it was fed. Bias can creep in at various stages. During data collection, if data sets aren't diverse enough. During data labeling, if human annotators carry their own preconceptions. Or even in the model's design, if it inadvertently favors certain outcomes. The consequences of such bias can be severe, leading to discriminatory outcomes in areas like credit scoring, healthcare diagnoses, or even law enforcement. Understanding and actively working to mitigate these biases through diverse data sets, rigorous testing, and continuous monitoring is a cornerstone of ethical AI development. Then there's the critical issue of privacy in an AI-driven world. AI systems often thrive on vast amounts of data, much of which can be personal. As AI models become more sophisticated, they can infer highly sensitive information about individuals, even from seemingly innocuous data. Think about how personalized ads follow you online, or how smart devices collect data about your habits. The challenge intensifies with generative AI, which might inadvertently reproduce private information from its training data. Protecting user data, ensuring informed consent for its use, and implementing robust security measures like encryption and data minimization are paramount. Regulations like the EU's GDPR and various state-level privacy laws in the US are pushing for stronger data protection, but the onus is also on developers and deployers to build privacy by design into every AI system. Users need to feel confident that their data is not just secure, but also used ethically and transparently. Finally, we confront the complex question of accountability for AI systems. When an AI makes a mistake, or worse, causes harm, who is responsible? Is it the data scientists who trained the model? The engineers who deployed it? The company that owns the system? Or the user who interacted with it? As AI systems become more autonomous and their decision-making processes more opaque, often referred to as black box models, tracing responsibility becomes incredibly difficult. This is where explainable AI, or XI, comes into play. XAI aims to make AI decisions understandable to humans, offering insights into why an AI reached a particular conclusion. This transparency is crucial for building trust, debugging systems, and assigning accountability when things go wrong. Establishing clear frameworks for oversight, auditing AI systems regularly, and ensuring there's always a human in the loop for critical decisions are essential steps toward building accountable AI. This ensures that ultimate ethical responsibility always rests with a human being. Building ethical AI isn't just about avoiding harm, it's about maximizing benefit. It involves designing AI systems that promote fairness, enhance human capabilities, respect privacy, and operate transparently. Best practices include incorporating ethical considerations from the very beginning of the design process, engaging diverse stakeholders throughout development, conducting thorough bias audits, and continuously monitoring AI systems once they're deployed. It's an ongoing journey of learning and adaptation, requiring collaboration between computer scientists, ethicists, policymakers, and the public. As AI continues to reshape our world, fostering an unwavering commitment to ethical development, will ensure this powerful technology serves humanity's best interests.